introducing one of Kit Kat's new characters. Is it me? Hello, I am a Mika hater, and my name is. I forgot the name. Oh God. His name is. And my name is Leah Kitty Mitty. And I hate Mika Kids. I'm an anti-Mika Kid. For all of those fellow anti-Mika Kids, hello, I'm one of Kit Kat's new characters. And also, by the way, every single character here does not exist. So yes, she's just a character, and yes, she's just a character. And today will be just a little story of a copycat. I don't really have any haters or copycats. Why don't I just make one myself? And also, why did I make a Mika hater? I am bored, and why not? And yeah, I'm gonna start the story now. Oh my god, how many videos I have. I can't stop looking through this YouTube shorts. Huh? What's this? Hello, I am Kit Kat. I am lovey-dovey. Oh yeah, I forgot to like this video. I always like my videos. Oh, wait a minute. That is not my video. I'ma show them. I'ma show her, he, them. I will kill them. I will kill. I'm beautiful today. You are a copycat. Ha. I killed her. She's so dumb. Look at her. She's so ugly. Look at this copycat. I did not copy from Kit Kat, okay? I'm just a Kit Kat fan. Oh, haha, I killed her. Ho. Okay, that was not funny at all. Nya. Introducing another character. Her name is Viva Kitty. I cannot do that. The name is Viva Kitty, and she is beautiful. And that's all for this video. Bye.